Good morning children, this is 5th class maths. Today I am going to explain practice questions in block 14. I hope you all completed project. Now you take it a classwork, reader. Take it a classwork, draw margin, write heading block 14, money, practice questions, page number 104, write date 4/12/2020. First question, which is a better deal? A bit. Ajit bought 3 shirts for rupees 1500. Aman got 2 shirts of the same type for rupees 1186. First Ajit. First we'll find the cost of one shirt. Then we can decide who is the better deal. Okay. Cost of 3 shirts is equal to rupees 1500. Cost of one shirt is equal to rupees 1500 divided by 3. See, 3 ones are 3 5s are 15, 0 0 is equal to rupees 500. Okay. Aman's cost of 2 shirt is equal to rupees 1186. Cost of one shirt is equal to how much? 1186 divided by 2. So 1186 divided by 2. See, I divided in the column children. After divide, how much you got? 593. Okay, 593. So rupees 593. Cost of one shirt is equal to how much? Rupees 593. So who is better deal? Ajit or Aman children? Ajit is better deal. Here 500 and here 593. So Ajit is better deal. Now be bit. Do it as homework. Second question, solve the word problems. A bit. A bookseller sells 100 books for rupees 8500 at a loss of rupees 10 per book. Find the total cost price of the books. Solution. Number of books is equal to how many? 100. Cost of 100 books is equal to how much? Rupees 8500. So cost of one book is equal to how much? 8500 divided by 100. So 8500 divided by 100, 0 0 0 0 cancel, rupees 85. So cost of one book is equal to how much? Rupees 85. So he got loss. So loss for each book is equal to how much? Rupees 85 minus rupees 10. Because why you are minus, you are doing children here loss of rupees 10 per book. So rupees 75. The 85 minus 10 is rupees 75. So total cost of the 100 books. Okay, how much? 100 into 75. So answer is rupees 7500 is the answer. Now B bit. An electric shop owner buys mixers and irons worth rupees 4000. He sells the mixer at a price of rupees 2200 and the iron at rupees 1500. What is the profit or loss? Solution. Cost price of mixer and iron box is how much? Rupees 4000. Selling price of mixer is equal to how much? Rupees 2200. Selling price of iron box is how much? Rupees 1500. First you have to add these two. 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 0 0, 2 plus 5 is 7, 2 plus 1 is 3. So total how much? Rupees 3700. So but he brought the shop owner, electric shop owner buys how much? Rupees 4000. But he sold it for rupees, total how much? Mixer and iron box is 3700. So he got loss. So loss is equal to CP minus SP. So rupees 4000 minus SP is rupees 3700. After minus rupees 3000 he got loss. So he lost, therefore he lost rupees 300. Now third question, complete the table. First bit, cost price is rupees 8000. Selling price we have to find Profit is rupees 2000. Profit percentage you have to find. Okay. A bit. Cost price is rupees 8000. Selling price we don't know. Profit is equal to rupees 2000. So we have to find first selling price. So selling price is equal to CP plus profit. If you add these two, you will get selling price. So rupees 8000 plus rupees 2000. Answer 8000 plus 2000 is 10,000. So SP is how much, children, here? Rupees 10,000. Now profit percentage. Profit percentage formula is, if you get profit, you write profit divided by CP into 100. If we loss, you write loss percentage is equal to loss divided by CP into 100. Now we got here profit. We are finding profit. So profit percentage is equal to profit divided by CP into 100. So profit is how much? 2000. Cost price is how much? 8000 into 100. Now cancel these 0, this 0, this 0, these 3 zeros. Now 2 ones are 2, 4s are 8, 4 ones are 4, 25s are 100. So how much he got profit percentage? Is equal to 25% is the answer. Now B bit, cost price is equal to, we don't know, selling price rupees 7500, profit is equal to rupees 2500. So cost price. So in this you have to subtract SP in SP minus profit, then you will get cost price. So SP minus profit is equal to rupees 7500 minus rupees 2500. 7500 minus 2500, 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, 5 minus 5, 0, 7 minus 2 is 5. So cost price is how much? Rupees 5000. So now he got profit or loss, children? Here he got profit. So profit percentage is equal to profit divided by CP into 100. Profit is how much? 2500. Cost price is 5000 into 100. Now this 0, 0, 0, 0, this 0, this 0 cancel. 5 ones are 5, 5s are 25. So 5 into 10. So how much he got profit percentage? 5 tens are 50. 50% profit he got. Okay. Now C bit, do it as homework. Now fourth question. Gyan earns rupees 55,000 per month. His weekly expense is rupees 2,000 on rent, rupees 1,500 on food, rupees 2,500 on education, rupees 3,000 on paying his bills. What is his total monthly expenditure? How much money does he save? Solution. First, Gyan earns how much? Rupees 55,000 per month. He spend on rent is equal to how much? Rupees 2,000. On food, rupees 1,500. On education, rupees 2,500. On bills, rupees 3,000. Add 0, 0, 5 plus 5 is 10. 1 carry, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Rupees 9,000. Total expenditure is how much? Rupees 9,000. Total weekly expenditure is equal to rupees 9,000. 1 month is equal to 4 weeks. This is weekly expenditure. So we have to find monthly. In the question asked total monthly expenditure. So you have to find monthly expenditure. So 1 month how many weeks? 4 weeks. So Gyan monthly expenditure is equal to how much? 9,000 into 4. So rupees 36,000. So this is the monthly expenditure of Gyan. Now next, how much money does he save? See, Gans monthly savings is rupees 55,000. He earns rupees 55,000. Monthly expenditure is rupees 36,000. So 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, 5 minus 6, take borrow from 5, 15 minus 6 is 9, 4 minus 3 is 1. So therefore he saves rupees 19,000 per month. Okay, I hope you understood. Complete in block 14, S3, S4 and classwork. Okay, we'll meet in next class. Thank you.